Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a 3D kids educational video which you can use for your YouTube channel. And I'll be starting by showing you how to do the scripting. From the scripting, we'll go over to generating our images, consistent images for our video, and also bringing our videos to life and also editing our video. So before I proceed, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is for us to write our story. Here I'm using ChatGPT for that. I told ChatGPT to generate 10 fun animated kids video ideas featuring human characters like toddlers, young kids. I'll be dropping this prompt in the description. So ChatGPT just generated 10 video ideas. So ChatGPT just generated 10 video ideas for me. You can go through them and choose the one you like. So I just choose number 4 and I told ChatGPT to write a story for me. So ChatGPT, with that video idea I picked, ChatGPT now wrote a story for me. And also ChatGPT now wrote a story for me, and now further on to tell ChatGPT to turn this story into scenes. So ChatGPT now broke the story into different scenes for me. Now after generating my scenes, I went out to tell ChatGPT to write out a song lyrics for the video. I'll be using Suno AI for the song lyrics, and you can see that ChatGPT just wrote out a song lyrics for me. I also further on I told ChatGPT from each scenes I said for each scenes, generate image prompts that I will use to create a 3D animated pieces style images. And ChatGPT now broke down these scenes into different image prompts for me. You can see the image prompt. And I said that each scenes that needs 2 or 3 prompts, just write it out for me. You can see my prompt. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to start generating our images. Okay, let's go over to that. There are so many apps out there which you can use to generate consistent images, but in this tutorial I'm going to be using Canva Dreamlab. It's so easy to use and you have lots of credits at your disposal. So I'll just type in my prompt and Canva will give us our image. You can see how the image is looking so beautiful. So if you don't know how to use Canva Dreamlab, I have a video which I'll be put it in the description for you to go and watch on how to use Canva Dreamlab. Okay, after generating our images using Canva Dreamlab, the next thing we are going to do is to bring this image to life. To turn your image into a video, go over to Hello AI. If you don't have an account with them, you can sign in with your Google account. After that, go over to that prompt box, upload the image which you want to turn to a video. Then you come over to the prompt box there. You can type in your prompt, or maybe you can just copy and paste your prompt in that prompt box. Once it is pasted or written, you can just go down and click create. Each day Hello AI gives you 100 credits, and for each video you have to spend 30 credit for that. So you can see that. Look at our video. We are going to do that for all our images, and after generating all our image, the next thing we are going to do is for us to generate our song. Okay, let's go over to Suno AI to generate our song. To generate your song using Suno AI, all you have to do is to sign up with your Google account or your email address, and then this is the interface. You go over to the create and click on create. Once you click on create, you will see the lyrics box, you will see the lyrics prompt box and also the style prompt box. You will paste the lyrics, the one ChatGPT generated for you, you will paste it there. Then you come over to styles. If you want to hip hop, any style you want, you can just put it there. But since it is a kids video, I'm going to type in kids, playful and lively. Then after typing it, I'll go down and I'll click create. You will see immediately I click on this create, within a second Suno is going to generate our song for us. Now here is my song. I'm going to click on it. Let us play it. big and clear. I really care and I wanna cheer. Let's build again, let's play. And after playing it, and if you like this song, to download it, you just click on the song and go over to these three buttons there. Click on download and download it as MP3. So the next thing we are going to do is to edit our video. Let's go over to CapCut for that. To edit my video using CapCut, I'll go over to CapCut, I'll open it, and I'll go over to this new project. I'll click on it to import all my videos, the videos I need. I'll just mark all of them to import it to my CapCut. Once it's imported, I'm not going to be adding any transitions. The only thing I'll be adding is my audio. I'll just go over to the audio, I'll click on the audio, then go over to the file folders, and I'll click on these 5 folders here, and I'll go and upload my audio. Once it is uploaded, I'll just check through it and will export my video by clicking the up arrow to export my video. Okay, let us check the final results.
The tower we had made so high, watched it crumble and I let out a sigh. Now I'm on my knees trying to mend, hoping we can build it all again. Sorry's the brick that I place with care, a shaky start but I'll meet you there. Layer by layer we'll make it strong, together we'll fix where we went wrong. Colors fell and scattered on the ground, lost in the echoes of the breaking sound.
We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you find this tutorial very helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.